Est-ce que nous tous dans la vie ou Mambo vivons tout?
You know, it's my pleasure to see in Benin, we call you call Mambo, but in Benin, I'll call you Na. Na is like a ren is a ren, because you are Mambo, we call you Na. So next time you're going to come to Benin, you are welcome in my kingdom. So what we're going to do simply, when you'll be invited, and when you come there, automatically we're going to give you what you already have. We're going to show you that it is your home.
Yes.
The home is your home. So you just continue what you're doing.
Yes.
And we're working together and make sure we help our people from Haiti, from Africa, and create the environment from them. The same thing I'm doing in Benin is to provide so everybody have a design to wear some symbol for Vodou from Haiti, and we use our Haiti to be proud of themselves, study using their own stuff, create them job, and then we make the festival more bigger. Each time we come, they're going to be the first, they're going to be libation. Libation means we're going to do some demonstration of Vodou. We're going to show them this, and then people are going to study enter Vodou. After that, we're going to do some défilé of music, dance, all the rhythm of this country. And then we're going to let them dance, and after that, we're going to do art, food, a special food from Haiti. And people are going to taste them.
Yes.
And we're going to dress like a Haitian. We're going to dress like an African, we're going to dress like African, and you're going to dress like Haitian. You're going to see the symbol of the Vodou on everybody, and they're going to be proud of themselves, proud of being black people. Peace and love.
Love.
Peace and love.
I want everything to be in his favor, in my favor. And then when he come to Miami, so all he have to say V. He don't have to say VV, just say V. We put other V for you.
Okay.
So you got what you want.
Thank you.
So we're gonna receive you like I know you are king, and we're gonna double it.
Thank you.
Because I see your heart. I can't read you. I see who you are.
Thank you.
You're not a bad person. You're not a criminal.
Thank you.
You serve your spirit just like pure Guinea.
Thank you very much.
Like last night when I see you, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Because the way you are, you carry everybody just like the same. You don't put yourself up more than others.
Thank you.
So this is what I like about you, and you work hard to come in here to enjoy the celebration Festival International.
Thank you.
To your family, to your student you make, and us and to Africa, one love for everybody.
Thank you very much.
Okay, and then I want your wife to know you got a good person.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, you're not coming here for pleasure, you're coming here to help it.
To help.
Okay?
To help my people.
So to help your people, and then to make them know what we serve Guinea. We're in the Vodou. We're not in the Vodou to do anything wrong. We're there to helping people to understand what is this. So we make them understand what we were and what they could be tomorrow when we're not there. We got students to keep doing what we was doing here.
And when you, me, we work together, your idea, my idea, his idea, other people's idea, we put it together. That's what makes it strong. Vodou is a heart. Vodou is a love.
Yes.
And the people have to know that. You never see a Vodou go attack anybody. You will never see Vodou go and attack people.
No.
No. We have a rule in Vodou. There is a law in Vodou. The respect of spirit. Yes. Or you will get punished. People don't understand that.
They don't understand.
People are afraid.
They're afraid
to respect.
Because other people tell them things they never hear. Don't come close to Vodou, because if you come too close to Vodou, you're gonna die. And then when you serve the spirit in the right way, you never afraid nobody. Somebody's cuss you out, you just leave it to the God and the spirit.
Exactly.
And then they're gonna get it. You don't need to touch nothing.
Oh, they're gonna get it.
They're gonna get it. They're gonna go after the person, try to kill my king. You're gonna die before that.
Exactly.
It's not us.
That's natural.
You know?
I'm gonna take you to the
Very natural, yeah.
I'm taking you to the home now.
Okay.
Come with me. I'll take her to Dahomey. If you want to come, you can come. Mambo, where you are now, you are in Benin. This is the ancestor, San Vito. Kututa means the ancestor. That's what lived. All the spiritual photo you see, they turn around and people will think there's a human being inside. No, that's what we have inside.
That's it, that's why.
That's it.
They don't know.
And people don't understand.
They don't understand.
And then this is this person, when you come there, there's something that I'm gonna make for you.
Okay.
Because when you are doing a ceremony,
Right.
You have to say something, something that will happen, so they know this is really for them. Because when you come, I'm gonna do everything. This mine is here, is already inside. So what happened? They have connection with me. So each time I get ready, I'm upset or do something. And I take this one because I'm already having on me.
Right.
I cannot give it to you. When I have on me, I take this one. Anything I say, it happens right away. Do you know what it is? Right now?
Yeah, they know.
Now, there is one soap there. I want you to do. I want to leave you alone here for a few minutes. You go do your prayer. After you do your prayer, that necklace is blessed. It's for you. So I want to let you, because that's your house, you do your prayer, but you take that one.
Okay. I feel you not evil.
Thank you.
You are Guinea.
Thank you.
I don't care what people say.
Thank you.
The way you serve your spirit,
Yeah.
the spirit do everything for you.
Thank you.
They're jealous of you, but they cannot beat what you got.
Thank you.
This
No,
is
no, doesn't mean that you see that stuff.
Yes.
Because the whole government, the whole country, they take me, besides being, they take me ambassador for all the royalty. So I thought they have an old government and all the details.
Because they know who you are.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are amazing.
Thank you.
With the spirit.
And so, you know.
And you help lots of people. This is why you don't even help yourself. You're helping people.
That's what they do. But when you do that, because only people don't understand, our job is to serve. People don't understand. Everything you're doing, you serve yourself. You waste your time, you live there, you come here to serve. Everybody loves you.
They don't understand.
That's service. You are in service. Everybody is our boss. Everybody is our boss. We serve. We're serving you guys. That's what we do. So when people don't understand, they have to know that we're serving you guys. It's our job to serve.
We work hard for them.
Yeah, we have to.
Yes.
Because you see, only things we have is our color. And people are afraid of our color. Because we have so much
power.
We have so much. It doesn't matter what it is. You can go, we can survive anyway. Look at Haiti, how he got his independence. People don't understand, but Vodun from Benin, the first Vodun in Haiti is different. Because the Vodun in Haiti is the people that are getting together from Africa in one boat, but they get a revolt. And the Haitians assume the revolt. That's where they went. Because if you are a slave or you are a prisoner and you cannot protect your own result, you are nobody. So that's what Haitian people do. And that Vodun, they bring Christianity to diluate, to bring that the first Vodun will come to Haiti. But they cannot. We have to go back to where we come from. À la source.
Hey, Bobo.
Hey, Bobo.
moi espère tout en forme en tout cas. Et non pas M. Steven, c'est Jean-Philippe, Jean Mackenzie là. Moi a mené un projet projet choral qui a fait spécifiquement promotion pour chant traditionnel nous. Chant pile dans nous, en pile dans haïtien pareil nous, méprisé sous prétexte que yo fait qu'on a que des outils chanter ça c'est diable. Donc moi-même après petit parcours dans classique, j'ai cherché ça qui vibré qui c'est musique traditionnelle. Et depuis que je finis commencer à apprendre ça qui est dans la tradition pays, je lancé. Depuis lors, c'est ça m'a fait. Et puis gros rêve, moi, c'était gagner un choral, gagner une institution tant que choral ça, mais qui produit des talents ou bien qui faire des talents pour représenter dans le monde culture, pas nous. Parce que nous n'avons pas ça, nous n'avons pas en pile, autrement dit. Donc c'est ça qui mène nous là. Et c'est un plaisir de joindre une invitation par Bilolo, d'une part, qui te relève dans le téléphone qui dit au festival qui va le faire la Zambie, dégagez combien de Jean-Jacques Ménécoel, viens chanter. Moi j'étais content, moi j'étais juge Jérémy, j'étais mobilisé l'équipe là. Et puis gros plaisir, encore une fois, c'est le moi, c'est chant pays que nous avons chanté. Eh bien, tout le monde qui a participé dans l'ouverture, lancement officiel du festival là, nous avons une chance d'entendre nous, mais à ce moment-là, la possibilité, sous pas de co, j'aime prendre temps pour entendre ça, et vous n'avez pas de chance d'entendre, mais c'est dans l'idée par nous, c'est une façon pour nous montrer le monde entier, et vous-même qui là en Haïti en particulier, que nous avons fait musique traditionnelle, belle, mais pas seulement les bagailles comme si on véhiculer le vieux message, mais ils sont très belles à quatre voix, ils sont très belles, les gens chanter avec nom, les gens ne pas chanter avec hypocrisie, les gens ne pas chanter pour nous voir un point sur l'autre monde, ou bien pour nous menacer le monde. Ok? Donc, ils sont très belles et ça fait intéresser moi-même. Et puisque à travers le monde, il y a un gros choral, pour qui ça Haïti pas un choral dans Trump ça, qui pour montrer le monde, voilà, musique pas loin, mais comment elle est belle. Donc voilà, donc je ne vais pas dire plus puisque nous n'avons pas de temps encore. Donc merci le fait que nous ayons accepté et accueilli et choral là dans le festival là. Moi je pense que c'est un début et que nous devons aller plus loin toujours parce que nous sommes responsables comme ambassadeurs promotion culture mondiale. Merci.
Oh!